3 minutes, full YouTube course, 3, 2, 1. Let's begin. I know you're busy and you don't want to watch some 2 hours breakdown, so I'll show you everything you need to know to sign 10 to 30 clients from your YouTube in just 3 minutes. First, you need content strategy. Most business owners post random videos hoping something sticks, but that doesn't work. You need 3 types of content working as a funnel. Action-based tutorials that solve specific problems your ideal clients search for, then educational content that positions you as authority and breaks false beliefs, and social proof content that shows real results from your clients. Here's how that looks into practice. So we have there an iceberg, and top part of this iceberg is visible part, which is top funnel content. Usually these are some action-based videos such as how to turn your viewers into high-paying clients. Then we have this mid funnel, mid part of the iceberg. It's where nurturing happens, so we can create some really in-depth value videos, or you can, for example, solve clients' objections. And usually these are videos 30 minutes to 1.5 hours free course video where you give all the knowledge you have, literally everything. And last part of the iceberg is this non-visible part that is under the sea, right? And this is the most important part because their trust is built with your audience, because they will take a look at some of your client interviews or case study breakdowns. You pretty much hop on a call with client, you ask them where they were before and after working with you, or you can just break down the step-by-step method they took to move your client from A to Z to his current state. Next, your video ideas must target what your ideal client actually search for. Break down your service into 8 to 10 steps, and each steps become a video topic. Put yourself into your client's shoes and ask what they would search for if they wanted to solve their problems by themselves. Then, after you figure out title and concept of the video, script part comes next. Hook should be word for word and try to grab attention within the first 30 seconds. And for body part, use bullet points to avoid sounding like a robot. Always include 2 CTAs, one at 40% mark and other one at the end, because most people leave their video till the end, so that's how we can increase the conversions. Create thumbnails that get clicks, and best way to do it is to emphasize main details. Your face should take up to 30% of the screen. Put forwards, maximum, and bright colors that stand out from YouTube dark background. Everyone is talking about posting content consistently, but here's what that means in practice. Post 4 videos per month. It's just 1 video per week, which is pretty doable with the right systems and right implementation. And if you find even more time, you can post even more, but 4 consistently will get you pretty far. And finally, focus on selling implementation and not information. People know that they can find everything for free, but you're selling accountability, your proven systems, and implementation. And that is it. This is everything you need. So if you want me to handle this entire process for you, ideation, scripting, editing, thumbnails, and posting, and you have to just record 2 hours per month, click the first link in the description. We'll take care of everything. And yeah, I hope this was valuable. See you in the next video.